Hi, crochet lovers! In today's episode, we'll learn how to work a half double crochet US terminology. In UK terminology, this is called a half treble crochet. We'll start with a slip knot. For this sample, I will chain 20. Of course, you are going to chain as many as required by your pattern. Once our base chain is done, we'll skip the first two chains from the hook and work into the third chain. Yarn over and insert hook into the third chain. Yarn over and pull through the chain. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and repeat steps to work second half double, half treble. That's pretty much all there is to it. Now keep working this pattern to the end of the row. Now that we've reached the end of the row, we need to chain 2 in order to start a new row. Turn your work. If you look at these stitches, you'll notice that each one has 2 loops. We need to work our half doubles into both loops. Yarn over and locate the first stitch. Insert hook, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Repeat pattern to the end of the row. That's it. Just chain 2 to start each row. Turn your work and repeat pattern. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more content.